Hi, today we're going to teach you how to improve popcorn performance in your microwave. First thing you have to do is make sure that the popcorn you are using is fresh, like this popcorn. Always follow the manufacturing instructions that's on the popcorn bag. You place your bag on the glass turntable. Make sure that the turntable is turned on. Then you go to popcorn right here. Press the button and hit start. Now your microwave should automatically sense when your popcorn is done, but if that doesn't happen, just listen for the popcorn to start to slow down, and if you hear it popping about 1 or 2 pops every 1 or 2 seconds, then you can stop the process and enjoy your popcorn. And our popcorn is done, but be careful taking it out of the microwave because it can be hot.
Use caution when taking hot items out of the microwave. Only adults or children under adult supervision should take items out of a microwave.